A 2014 Highlander, changing the headlight bulb. This one on the driver's side. This one on the passenger side. Okay, there's one on each side. One there. The other one is right here. Okay, I'm going to show you to change the one here. See, the one on the driver's side, it's a lot easier. You just put your hand here and unplug this. And there's a light bulb on the passenger side. Kind of tight. You can reach it here, or you cannot reach it from here. Kind of tough. So to reach that, you have to move this one up. It's a clip here. Move for them, and then you can move it out of the way. Now it's a lot more room. Just move it out of the way. A lot more room, okay? Okay, move this out of the way. And see the tab here? You tap here, push it down. Okay, and then turn this that direction. Yeah. Now here's the bulb. Make sure you don't touch it with your hand because of the oil. To put a new one back in, or you want to put LED, same thing. Put it in. Turn this time, turning clockwise, that directions. And then remember to plug it back in. She's all tight. And after that, don't forget this to go back to here. Just put it in a clip. And then check the headlight. Yep, it works. Thank you very much.